Hello everyone, if you are using Webull and want to claim a $60 bonus to open an Rrsp or Tfsa, here is how you can do it. First, head over to the Webull website or app and sign up for a new account. Make sure to select either an Rrsp or Tfsa account during the sign up process. Once your account is created, you will need to go through the standard verification process, including identity and financial checks. To qualify for the 60 Canadian dollar bonus, you will need to make an initial deposit into your Rrsp or TFSA account. Webull may require a minimum deposit amount to activate the promotion. So after your deposit is processed, Webull will credit your account with the $60 bonus. This bonus will appear on your account within a few business days. And that is how you claim your 60 Canadian dollar bonus when opening an Rrsp or TFSA with Webull. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.